Hello, dear friends. Wishing a very good day from Anshumalika Chandel. Recently, I made a Warli painting. I'm absolutely intrigued by its traditional painting technique. It was also very exciting to know more about it. Hence, I would like to share a few important information on Warli painting, its origin, tradition, knowledge, painting technique, materials used, etc. Warli painting is a tribal art mostly created by the tribal people from the North Sahyadri range in Maharashtra, India. This tribal art was originated in Maharashtra where it is still practiced today. They are among the finest examples of the folk style of painting. The Warli culture is centered on the concept of Mother Nature, and elements of nature are often focal points depicted in Warli art. Warli artists use their clay huts for a backdrop of their paintings. Javya Soma Marshe, the artist in Thane district, has played a great role in making Warli painting popular. These rudimentary wall paintings use a set of basic geometric shapes: a circle, a triangle, and a square. These shapes are symbolic of different elements of nature. The circle and the triangle come from their observation of nature. The circle represents the sun and the moon, while the triangle depicts mountains and conical trees. In contrast, the square renders to be a human invention, indicating a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. The central motive in each ritual painting is a square, known as the chalk or chalkut, mostly of two types, known as Dev chalk and Lagna chalk. Inside a Dev chalk is usually a depiction of Palghat, the mother goddess, symbolizing fraternity. Male gods are unusual among the Warli and are frequently related to spirits which have taken human shape. The central motive in the ritual painting is surrounded by scenes portraying hunting, fishing, farming, trees, and animals. Festivals and dances are common scenes depicted in the ritual paintings. People and animals are represented by two inverse triangles joined at their tips. The upper triangle depicts the torso and the lower triangle the pelvis. Their precarious equilibrium symbolizes the balance of the universe. Apart from ritualistic paintings, other Warli paintings cover day-to-day activities of the village people. One of the central aspects depicted in many Warli paintings is the Tarpa dance. The Tarpa, trumpet-like instrument, is played in turns by different village men. Men and women entwine their hands and move in a circle around the Tarpa player. The dancers then follow him. The circle formation of the dancers is also said to resemble the cycle of life. The walls are made of a mixture of branches, earth, and red brick that make a red ochre background for the paintings. The Warli paint with a white pigment made from a mixture of rice flour and water with gum as a binder. A bamboo stick is chewed at the end to give it the texture of a paintbrush. Walls are painted only to mark special occasions such as festivals, weddings, harvests, etc. They make it with a sense that it can be seen by future generations. Jivya is known as the modern father of Warli painting. Since 1970s, Warli painting has moved onto paper and canvas. The Manik Public School at Manik Nagar, Karnataka, dedicated a large wall of their academic block to preserve Indian heritage. by hosting India's largest Warli art painting. Warli artist Avanti Sandeep Kulkarni from Pune sets a record for largest Warli art wall painting at Manik Public School, Maniknagar. Artist Shruti from Mumbai made 200 plus Warli paintings in 20 hours, set a new record with World Records India. I hope you liked my video as well as the information. Hope you liked my painting as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.